This knot is very useful if you have to link a very heavy load to this part of the rope. As you can see, the knot block itself. If we want to give some rope, we just put a little bit of rope like this, and we can give some rope, some length to the rope linked to the object. For making this knot, we need a carabiner. We put this part of the rope like this from over, then the running hand over the standing part like this, then under the carabiner, so the running hand comes out from the carabiner, and finally under the standing part. So the first one is over the standing part, the last one is under the standing part. Finally, we put the rope inside the carabiner like this, and then I can pull and the knot is done. As you can see, if I hold this part of the rope, the knot block itself. Instead, if I give some length, if we pull the standing part, we can pull a little bit of rope.